Hello everyone, how's everyone doing today? Today I'm trying a couple snacks from Mexico. So the first one is a Loopy Loops sour flavored challenge cotton candy. Ooh. Watch out. According to Kids Can, you're about to sample the world's softest cotton candy. We believe it. This cotton candy is freaking sour, according to the packaging, and is an extremely fluffy watermelon and apple sour shock cotton candy called algodón. The azúcar in Spanish conjures up images of innocent sweet clouds, but don't be fooled. This Loopy Loops cotton candy is a challenge, testing to see if you can withstand the extreme sourness that accompanies its sweetness. Of course, you're a Mexican candy pro by this point, so you won't balk at this challenge. You'll up the ante. Wrap the sour cotton candy over on the juiciest, crunchiest pickle you can find, sprinkle a lime on top, and dip it in some chamoy. If you're feeling particularly brave, that's bound to be a flavor explosion in your mouth you'll never forget. But who can take the most bites? There's two mixed flavors. There's a pink and a green one. So the pink one. The red one was definitely watermelon, and it really is sour, but also really sweet. That is really good. Now the green one. That is green apple. That is so good, but also really, really sour. I wonder what it'd be like they said, with the pickle. Normally I split these things with Chris, but that was so good I may want it myself.